I'm gonna do a voice impression of 5 different games to each of my friends. If they can guess all of them right, they get $10,000.
Among Us.
How did you get it?
It's just too iconic. Instantly recognizable.
Alright. I've got, my next one. Oh, God! Ah! Ah!
Guys, I know we had an Angry Bird on Discord.
Yeah, it's Angry Birds. Alright,
Fall Guys.
Yeah, it's Fall Guys. How did you know?
It was just a really good impression.
Thank you.
CSGO.
No, you get 2 more guesses. What do you get?
You
2
gotta
more
keep
guesses.
going.
Okay. Game over. I don't know, it's been a while. I can't get it exactly.
Oh, I know.
What?
It's Pocket God.
No. No. Here, I'll take it from the top. I'll take it from the top.
Bad Rats.
Yeah. It's Bad Rats when the cat gets microwaved. Good guess. You've gotten them all right so far. I can't have lollipop.
Gmod.
Yeah. That's a reference to Gray. It's not like directly a Gmod reference, but whatever.
I'm not a pedant. Among Us.
Yeah. How did you know? What was that? I think you got out.
Sorry, I think you've gotten sick.
I'm gonna freaking die! I'm scared! I'm bedridden till the end!
I don't want to die.
I want to run again!
So much on my singing monsters.
I just want to run in a field again. I've died before my youth is nigh.
They've got to nerf this cancer shiz.
Yep. Alright, let's see what else we got in the old.
CSGO. Oh, it's CSGO, right? I know.
Well, it doesn't make the sound in the game, but it's Minecraft. Oh, I wasn't supposed to tell you. No, pretend I didn't tell you that. You get 2 more guesses. I forgot.
Minecraft.
Yeah. Oh. No. Cheeseburger.
Roblox.
Oh. Those are the worst oofs ever.
This is where they got the oof sound. You know that video? I hate that video
The cherub,
so much.
right? The weird, like, angel? Or are you talking about Roblox Beth Sound Origins?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's an angel they actually, like an old computer game from the
Yeah,
90s. Yeah, that video's
and
fine.
the cherubim.
What is that? What do they say?
That's a David Wright's lyric.
Oh.
He doesn't say that exactly.
Yeah, I don't remember what Unturned sounds like.
You're gonna be really sad when there's all those scarabs and beetles in your room.
Huh?
They're gnawing at my flesh.
My feet are
Clarence?
No.
Is the game Clarence?
No. It was. You get 2 more guesses.
Well, you gotta go
There's
again.
bugs in my hair.
I recognize it.
You'll need it to keep the bugs.
Flashback.
Yeah, you got it.
It's not a game. You're quite obviously cheating.
You guessed Clarence. Alright, I think you've got 9 out of 10. If you get the 10 out of 10, you win the $10,000.
Okay.
The dice hate me!
Risk.
No. Sorry, the answer was, no, it was Risk. You got it right. I was just playing up the dramatic tension.
Oh, hey, I got one.
Yeah?
Alright, guess what game this is. This one's a specific, like, game on a game.
Oh, okay.
Kalana Salmon! Kalana Salmon! Kalana
Geographica?
Salmon! Yeah.
Alright, well,
I guess that could have been Squad, Special Air Militia also, but, you know.
that's enough now. I'll stop streaming.